What's up everyone, Jay here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets re-release the new United 787-10 in the Evo Blue livery. Really excited to have another 787-10. Funny enough, I got this and then NG released a their version, and I've actually got both now. You'll see that in a later, on a later time in a later video. But I have the box here as well for their 787-10, and I'm just gonna pull it in here just because to show like the size comparison between the GeminiJets box and the NG box. So here's the GeminiJets box, and this is the NG box. Just so much smaller, but the same exact aircraft. So I thought that was kind of funny. Again, I'm going to do another video on that at a later time. Yeah, so here we have this one today, the GeminiJets version, and we're going to go over this. So here's the box. To say it's crazy how much like bigger the box is and everything. And the model, I mean, it should be about the same size, though this looks to be a lot bigger. Interesting. We'll have to see. Honestly, I might make this a comparison video, but probably not. All right. So yeah, the GeminiJets mold and everything for 787-10, the 787s in general have gotten a lot better. They've gotten rid of that wild wing flex and everything, and overall done a better job of the quality and everything. So that's why I picked this up. And obviously just to grow my United fleet too, as these 787-10s have become a very prevalent sight at LA and in the United fleet, doing a lot of the transcons and long haul stuff, so can never have too many of them. I wish I could get some more 9s too though. Alright, here we go. One day we'll be able to get all the models we want, right? Anyway, there we have it, looking very nice. Put that all off to the side. So here we have it, looking very, very nice. Overall, I'm impressed. This looks pretty dang good, I have to say. For GeminiJets and everything, this looks right on par with, honestly, NG. Well, at least like a good GeminiJets model. This is what I expect. So yeah, here we have it. The nose section, everything looks really good. I don't have any complaints about that. It looks pretty good. Star Alliance logo and the connecting people to the world or something. Their little slogan right there. The door, L1 door. The gear looking pretty good. United titles. Obviously, the nice long fuselage section here between L1 and L2. Got the antenna and the Wi-Fi dome on the top there. Got the engines looking very nice. Not too shabby. The wings looking fantastic as well. No crazy wing flex. Honestly, very, very nice. I like the look of them a lot. They're a lot better. They look fantastic and they look very accurate. L3 door there, and then back here we have the registration, which is November 13014. There's a Dreamliner, the staple Dreamliner little logo there, not logo, but I guess like just writing title there, and then the L4 door there, and then obviously the nice Evo Blue tail, looking very, very nice. So yeah, overall looks pretty good. Oh, got a little bit of dirt there on the horizontal stabilizer. Pretty good. Pretty good. This side, we are working with the baggage door there. Actually, the bulk bin was on the other side. But yeah, there we go. So we'll take a look at the top down. Also, I'm gonna have to move this out. So top down here. There it is. Underbelly. Nice and simple, but overall very nice. And yeah, that's about it for this beauty. And as I say, probably the next video that I'll have out is actually going to be the NG version, and I'll probably bring this model back in as a comparison to it. But yeah, so here you have them all looking very, very nice. No complaints, honestly. Just happy to have another 787 in the fleet for United. And I do recommend it, honestly. Yeah, well done to GeminiJets. Well done to GeminiJets. This was actually let me just see. This was a 2023 release. That's right, like towards the end of 2023 sometime, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next one. Take care.